Hi, I'm going to give you an introduction how to create a blog site or a website easily using an online tool called WordPress. Type in wordpress.com in your browser. So you go to the first screen here, go to get started, click get started. So it's ask you to how to create a site. So basically answer these questions, you're ready to go. So what would you like to name your site? I will call it HTML. I call it ROM HTML5 school. And what will be your site about? Learning HTML5. So what is they'll ask you, this is for advertising purposes and categorizing. So share your ideas. So let's keep it in this one. Showcase your portfolio, offer education training, like that. When so then how comfortable are you with the creating a website? So either are you expert or beginner. So pick beginner for now, so one or two, maybe one, then it guides us. Let's give your site an address. Enter your site's name and describe. You'll use this create your new site address. So we'll create a site address as something unique. It has to be unique, otherwise you won't be able to create this. So I had to call it something RT. See, it will start looking at all of this stuff. So in your case, you can do HTML5 school. Let's see, there are already there. HTML5 university, HTML5 college, all this one. Then it will suggest you what to pick, like HTML5 education or something like that. So I'll create RTHully. That is RT. That is my last name. Let me pick RTHully. So it is available. So the first one is free. Select that. Then it asks you to pick the plan. So you can pay monthly and all that. Just pick the free one. Start with a free. So pick here. Now create a username and password. So I'll create, let me see if it is already taken. So I'll create a password. Then I'll go with that. You can also go with the Gmail account too. So it does the creation. So done. So basically it created our website now. So it asks you to save the password. I'll save it. There we go. So this is my first website, and then it will start asking you how to manage the site. So customize your site here. You can change the themes here. Then it will help you.